Let's talk about things you should never ever put in your vagina. It's very important, and as your doctor, I'm here to tell you because I have seen these things and I know they can hurt. So now let's talk about it. If you have a vagina, then please grab a chair and come along with me. I'm Dr. Deji Daramola. I'm a Canadian-based family physician and a real human being who believes in honest, shame-free conversation. Now, the vagina is a powerful, elastic, self-cleaning, complex organism with its own ecosystem. But some things can wreck that ecosystem and cause not only short-term but long-term damage. Now, let's look at the 5 most common dangerous things that people are putting in there, and they should not be there. Well, let's start with number 1. Garlic, onions, herbs. People use those things to cure infection. I don't know where they got the idea, but it keeps coming up because people are now looking for natural remedies. They don't want antibiotics, and I hear that all the time. They think that natural remedies work better. Raw garlic can cause burns and irritation, even allergic reactions in your vagina, but it can destroy your delicate vaginal mucosa, and this then becomes a cause of infection. If you think you have a yeast infection, get proper treatment. Don't turn your vagina into a form of salad. It's only going to turn out badly. Number 2, scented soaps, douches, and sprays. Believe it or not, this is a billion-dollar industry, and it is based on shame. Some people believe that vagina is smelly, so they do all of this. But the vagina has a natural pH of between 3.8 to 4.5, which makes it acidic, which is good. When you use these scented products, even if they say it's a feminine wash, you are going to strip away the good bacteria like lactobacillus, which protects you from infection. And once that is gone, then you're wide open to things like bacterial vaginosis, thrush, UTIs, painful urination, and douching. Well, you might feel fresh initially, but in the long term, it increases your risk of pelvic inflammatory disease and even perhaps infertility. Number 3, foreign objects like cucumbers or popsicles. Don't even go near there. I once saw an old woman with the tip of a baby bottle inside the cervix, and I said, how did it get there? She said she didn't know, but there was this foul smelling discharge from the vagina. Don't use your vagina as a storage unit or a testing ground for foreign objects. You can't put cucumbers or vegetables inside the vagina. Apart from them causing micro tears, they contain bacteria, they could get stuck, and a lot of patients like the one I told you will invariably need to go to the hospital either to get treated for infections or to even get debris out of the vagina. I've taken out vegetables like pieces of cucumbers out of vagina. You don't want to do that. The 4th thing is toothpaste for tightening. Yeah, this is a real thing, and even people who blog that if you put some toothpaste in your vagina or put potash, that it will make it tighter or reduce discharge. The truth is that toothpaste contains fluoride and they are abrasives. These are ingredients that are meant for the teeth, the enamel, not vaginal tissue. So instead, you're going to get burning, you're going to get swelling, you're going to get peeling, and sometimes long-term pain, sensitivity. Your vagina is not a bathroom sink. Don't treat it like that, and don't use potash. And it might shrink, take out the water from the vagina, and then it makes it look like it's tighter. You're destroying it. And lastly, steaming, vaginal steaming. That's a thing now. It's called yoni steaming. Well, it sounds relaxing, but here's the catch. You can seriously burn yourself, and it doesn't actually clean anything. Your vagina is already clean the way it is. Steam doesn't go far enough to clean the uterus. It only alters the vaginal flora, and then it burns, and then it causes infection, and then you have delayed diagnosis because people think that the infection they're having is a form of detoxification, so they don't go for proper examination. By the time they go, it's too late. Come on, don't steam your vagina. It's not a vegetable. Don't cook it. So your vagina is smart. It has its own ecosystem. It has its own good bacteria. It has its own fungi. They live in a balanced ecosystem. Don't try and disrupt that. It only leads to problems.